So, despite the fact that we've been at the lowest point in our life, um, during the pandemic time, I was able to secure a small property. So, while I'm paying off my backlogs, na-maintain ko naman siya, and luckily, I was able to finish it off. Now, let's visit yung small na, small lang naman, small. Hindi naman ganun kalaki. But I'm just so proud na kahit papaano may natabi tayo. Welcome to my small property. Ayan, lote pa lamang siya. Wala pang development talaga. So actually, I'm just showing it off, not to brag or what. I know marami namang tataas ang kilay dyan or what. Yes, marami akong backlogs. But I would just like to inspire also others to do the same if ever they can. Actually, ang ginagawa ko kasi ngayon ay inuunti-unti ko yung mga backlogs ko. Hindi ko pinagsasabay-sabay. I know some won't understand that. But for me kasi it's also important to have something, an asset na in a way makakatulong sa'yo in the future. Pinalak ko rin tong ibenta during the time that I was on my lowest. Pero gladly, I was able to preserve it. And here it is. I'm planning in the future if I have some extra or if ever I can recover na from everything, magkaroon ng bahay. And here, I'm showing it off. No, I'm not bragging. Pinapakita ko lang po na kung kinaya ko, kakayanin nyo rin at baka mas maganda pa yun sa inyo. And salamat sa panunood. Bye!